Tennant Company, the recognized leader in developing high-performance industrial cleaning equipment, brings you the T16AMR. Welcome to the new age of autonomous industrial cleaning. AMR, or Autonomous Mobile Robot Technology, will help businesses achieve their goals for productivity and profitability through automating floor cleaning. Tennant AMRs support key pillars of automation: safety, security, reallocation of labor, and ROI. With Tennant's T16AMR, you can count on the floor being cleaned and receive detailed daily cleaning reports. The labor it used to take to clean the floors can be redeployed, adding to your bottom line. In autonomous mode, the T16AMR scrubber can automatically clean using routes created specifically for your facility. It cleans more effectively and consistently by running multiple routes back-to-back without assistance. All autonomous cleaning details are sent to management, providing proof of cleaning as it happens. And the person assigned to the machine can receive text messages as the machine completes its routes. Get the proven high-performance cleaning of a Tennant T16 scrubber paired with Brain OS, an advanced vision-based AI system for a new era in cleaning. Clean thoroughly in a single pass with a dual-brush cylindrical scrub head that also picks up small debris to prevent streaking, allowing consistent cleaning and improved productivity. The T16AMR navigates real-world environments and quickly adapts and moves around unplanned obstacles automatically. Whether you're cleaning a sensitive surface or scouring off heavy grime, Tennant's T16AMR brings big productivity and heavy-duty performance to the job with innovative, exclusive features. EC NanoClean technology allows for detergent-free cleaning and reduces or eliminates handling chemicals, in addition to reducing water usage. A full tank of water will last up to 2.5 hours with Tennant's innovative ECH2O NanoClean technology, allowing you to scrub 2 to 3 times longer than with conventional scrubbers. Tennant's T16AMR is available in 2 versions. The first is a flooded cell battery pack that comes standard with HydroLink battery watering system. This battery delivers steady and consistent power for high-performance cleaning. The T16AMR is also available with a high-capacity lithium-ion power supply and includes a fast charger. Keep your T16AMR on the job for up to 5.5 hours of continuous runtime on a single charge, and up to 13 hours over a 24-hour period through opportunity charging. The T16AMR is simple to operate with its one-step start button. Simply push the large blue button to start cleaning your facility's mapped routes. All of the most recent machine functions are automatically remembered and engaged. The T16AMR comes equipped with a high-visibility safety light package, including head and tail lights, forward blue light, automatic turn signals when operating autonomously, and an AV alarm ensures that employees working around the machine are fully aware of the AMR's presence and its direction of motion. The T16AMR scrubber delivers peace of mind, does not require dedicated labor to operate, and includes a video-based education center that trains operators how to properly operate the T16AMR. Touchscreen functionality makes learning routes easy. Onboard videos allow the operator to watch how to operate, train, and maintain the robotic scrubber. At the end of a cleaning shift, the T16AMR is quick and easy to clean out. Simply twist the variable drain cuff to adjust the flow of dirty water to match your drain capacity. Easy access to the pre-sweep debris tray and the filters gets the machine ready for its next shift. Be confident with local support. Tennant's AMR customer success team provides weekly usage reports, so you have the confidence of real data and know that your facilities are being properly cleaned. Keep your T16AMR working at its best by using only Tennant True parts and consumables. Tennant parts are designed specifically to fit your T16AMR, delivering long life, high performance, and durability. Maintain your brand image with a robust, proven Tennant design that provides consistent, reliable performance. Autonomous cleaning can mitigate workforce issues like scarcity of labor, employee absence, and daily scheduling. lower your total cost of ownership, deliver health and safety benefits, enhance your facility image, and improve your ROI with impressive scrubbing performance. Tennant's T16AMR safely works alongside your employees without requiring a full-time operator to get your heavy-duty cleaning done. Put Tennant's T16AMR on your team.